By planting these flags, we lay down a promise to uphold the values of sportsmanship, respect, and fair play. Let these flags stand tall as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us that true victory lies not in winning but in giving our very best.
We swear that we will take part in Gurukul Academy, Daycare School, Sports Meet 2024-25, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them with the desire to participate in the true sportsmanship for the honor of our school and glory of sports.
The tradition of lighting an Olympic flame comes from the ancient Greeks. During the ancient Olympic Games, a sacred flame was lit from the sun's rays at Olympia and stayed lit until the games were completed. This flame represented the endeavors from protection and struggle for victory. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. May I now request a head boy to come forward with the torch and step onto the stage. Requesting the head boy Adi Suresh. It's a proud and symbolic moment as the Olympic torch will be lit by our esteemed chief guest, Colonel Neeraj Nautiyal. Colonel Neeraj Nautiyal to rise and please come forward to light the cauldron torch so that it inspires the brilliance of life within us.
Where is it?
This flame represents the unwavering spirit of sportsmanship and excellence. Bearing the torch is Master Adi Suresh, exemplifying dedication, excellence, and the true spirit of our school. Joining the torch bearer, we have the students who have proved their excellence this year in various fields. Passed on to Tanishka Desai, the head girl of the school, and then Venika Gaude. She's a Taekwondo champion. Vedika Gaude is an excellent athlete. Passed on to Ritisha Kalekar, an awardee of the prestigious Lieutenant Colonel Ajit Bhandarkar Shaurya Chakra Memorial Award, conceived in the memory of the supreme sacrifice made by Ajit Bhandarkar during the call of duty towards the nation.